Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create your API key and Dex Trade. First, click on Menu, and then click on My Profile, and then click on API Management. And then after that, click on the Create Private API Key. Now, enter the private API key label, and then click on Send Code. And then after that, go to your email and find the email of Dex Trade. Copy the pin code and go back to the Dex Trade and paste the pin code. After that, copy this link and save your secret key in safe place immediately after generating it. And that's how you create an API key and Dex Trade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.